Conflict is an inevitable part of any team environment, especially in agile frameworks like Scrum. Today, I want to dive into the distinct conflict resolution strategies employed by Scrum Masters and project managers. Both roles are crucial, but they approach conflict in unique ways that can significantly impact team dynamics and project outcomes. Let's start with Scrum Masters. Their primary focus is on fostering collaboration and maintaining a healthy team environment. When conflict arises, Scrum Masters often use techniques like active listening and facilitation. They create a safe space for team members to express their concerns. For example, during a sprint retrospective, if tensions flare over missed deadlines, a Scrum Master might encourage open dialogue. They'll ask questions like, "What can we learn from this?" or "How can we support each other better?" This approach not only resolves the immediate conflict, but also strengthens team cohesion and trust. On the other hand, project managers typically have a broader scope, often balancing multiple stakeholders and project timelines. Their conflict resolution strategies might lean more toward negotiation and problem solving. When faced with conflicting priorities between team members and stakeholders, a project manager might employ techniques like stakeholder analysis. They'll identify who is affected by the conflict and work to find a compromise that aligns with project goals. For instance, if a developer feels overwhelmed by competing tasks, the project manager might negotiate deadlines or reallocate resources to alleviate pressure. This not only resolves the conflict, but also ensures that the project stays on track. Now let's talk about communication. Effective communication is the backbone of conflict resolution in both roles. Scrum Masters emphasize transparency and encourage team members to voice their concerns early. They might use tools like daily stand-ups to surface issues before they escalate. In contrast, project managers often need to communicate with external stakeholders, ensuring that everyone is aligned on project objectives. They might use status reports or stakeholder meetings to keep everyone informed and engaged. However, both roles can fall into common pitfalls. One mistake is avoiding conflict altogether, thinking it will resolve itself. This can lead to resentment and bigger issues down the line. Another mistake is not following up after a conflict is resolved. It's crucial to check in with team members to ensure that the resolution was effective and that no lingering issues remain. So how can we improve our conflict resolution skills? First, practice active listening. Make sure everyone feels heard and understood. Second, encourage a culture of openness where team members feel safe to express their concerns. Lastly, don't shy away from conflict. Embrace it as an opportunity for growth and improvement. In conclusion, whether you're a Scrum Master or a project manager, understanding and applying the right conflict resolution strategies can transform your team's dynamics. By fostering effective communication and learning from conflicts, we can create a more collaborative and productive work environment. Remember, it's not just about resolving conflict, it's about building stronger teams.